Knox Gear develops innovative gear for active people with an active lifestyle to keep them safe and help them to enjoy doing what they love. Our flagship product is the Tracer 360. It's a fiber optic illuminated vest. It's got multi-colors built into it. It's eye-catching for that distracted driver who's looking up from their cell phone in that little instant of time they need to see somebody on the road. Ours is the most visible vest on the road. The 39G is a way to listen to your music or your podcasts and also have situational awareness, so you maintain that safety when you're out in the environment, but also you get to enjoy your environment. You can hear the birds, the leaves, the wind, but also that car as it approaches you, opposed to earbuds, which are dangerous. Our engineering background sets us apart because we obsess about every detail, the design of our products. And I think people can appreciate that when they put on one of our products. They know that there's something special there, and you say, this is something that you're actually going to love instead of just be okay with. We'll continually launch new products that solve problems for everybody out in the active lifestyle.